So I just moved into a brand new, well, new to me, studio in Long Beach, luckily just down the street from where I live. And it's finally kind of together, and I just wanted to do a quick video here to kind of document that it's actually clean and neat, and it won't stay that way for long, so I figured this was a good time to shoot it. So anyway, here we go. So the studio is located in Long Beach. It's 550 square feet, probably more than I needed, but now that I'm in, I'm really glad I had the extra space. The wall over here is dedicated for painting. I don't have an easel in this space at this point, but I do have slats with screws attached to the wall. Got a couple of carts here that I actually found in the street. And the green one here, I put a piece of plywood, 2x4 foot plywood on top just to extend the workspace, and it's working out really well. Of course on wheels, that always helps. The flooring is covered with a product called Ram board. I got it at Home Depot, and for this entire amount it was about $35, and it's construction grade, recyclable, and it does protect the floor from splatters and drips and that sort of thing. This giant table, it's 4 feet by 8 feet, was just cobbled together with different IKEA Calyx storage units, and there's casters on the bottom so I can move it around as well. And it's pretty big, but I'm glad I went this big because it gives me room to spread out, and I'm hoping to work on larger paper pieces, and this will definitely accommodate that. I've also got a nice overhang here where I can work while I sit at the table. So I've got a nice long wall here where I can just tack up pieces as I finish them. And then on this other side, we've got some storage, which I need to maximize more. I'll be getting some more storage units. So anyway, that is it. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. And thank you very much.